room needs someone to hit the bounty right here. Wake us up. We were giving away a card stand. We ran the filler already. We were giving away one of these. Ahmed Rosario, Ha-Sung Kim. The Padres and Noah. We got a batch of bum top loaders. Green for the Blue Jays, Steven Matz. Garrett Whitlock. Kelnick rookie for Seattle and Rob Gio. Nick Maton, Alec Manoah for the Jays. Getting a spam risk call. Spam risk. I like how they let you know that it's spam. It's going good, D. Bleak. I'm riding high. Marlins just swept the Nationals above 500. It's almost Friday. Life is good. For the Twins, it's Nick Gordon. Twins hit a ton in this product.
Hey, Jared. There was a card that was found the other day, and I put it on the desk. I wanted to see if it's the most up-to-date one, so to see if it still works.
Lily Adames. Yeah, Padres. I gotta stop betting on the Padres, honestly. That's gonna be my downfall. I feel like I've had them so many times recently and they just do nothing. Andrew Vaughn and Dylan Carlson rookies. Clark Schmidt. Alec Bohm. Did I see Machado's going to avoid the IL though? It's like a small fracture and he's going to DH? Or am I making that up? That is a red. That's about as close as it gets. Wait, is that pink? No, it's red. That's as close as it gets to the bounty right there. It's Aaron Hicks. Aaron Hicks. Every Yankees fan favorite player. 2 of 5. It's a sick looking card. Probably got a lot of Yankee fans willing to pay big money for picks. Connor Brogdon. The Bleacher Creatures. Ha-Sung Kim again. Come again. Ha-Sung, come again. Celestino Whitlock. auto is green. Sick box. Red non-auto and a green auto of Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays. The 1. Nate Pearson, number to 50. 50 of 50. Another Kelnick rookie for Seattle. Mayton rookie. Funkhauser. Funky stuff Malone. Manoah. A lot of similar base. Pujols for the Dodgers. Nice Jays break. Couple of Kelnicks.